Hello everyone who clicked on this video. My package is finally here. It took a month. COVID-19 is driving me insane. I got CX's Japanese album with the DVD. Oh my goodness. They taped it. Why did they tape it? This is literally a piece of tape. I'm just like, why? Oh, okay, okay, okay. What is this? It's just like a... Interesting, it's just like a little card thing. Nice. Oh, there's another one. Ah, there's two. That's awesome. Okay. I'll have to put it in and try it. If it will play. They say, region locked. But my ONEUS Japanese albums that were supposed to be region locked worked on my PlayStation 4. So hopefully this will work on my PlayStation. Oh my goodness. It's just coming off in little bitty pieces. There's no patience with this. Wait, am I getting it? Oh, finally! Oh, thank goodness. Okay. This is my first CX Japanese album. I haven't gotten the other one yet. I plan to. So yeah, this little thing comes off the side. Oh my gosh. Inside. CD and DVD. Ooh, okay. 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 Oh my god. Look, I got Jinyoung. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am happy with that. Oh look, he drew flowers. Okay, how? Okay, for those of you watching both my videos, I ordered my ONEUS In Its Time and CIX Revival together, and like the color scheme like fits in like in the photo book of ONEUS's. It's got the, look at this. Do you see that? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm crazy. But I just like flower. I'm sorry. I know, I'm weird. Okay, back to the amazingness of CIX. It's got the handout thingy. Ooh, look at that hair. I'm so jealous. Ooh, ooh, oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I was like, I want Jinyoung or BX. And oh my god. This one is so, oh, it's so good. Oh, I like how it says not for sale. Ah, oh my gosh. Okay. I didn't, okay. I'm happy. Whoop. Okay, the turd. I don't know if all of the Japanese albums that the DVD come with that extra mine came with, or if that was just from where I bought it from. Where'd those extras go? I sat them down. Oh, there's too much on my desk. These, I don't know if you ordered this and you got these or didn't get these, let me know, because I was not expecting that. That was nice. Yeah, like the website I ordered it from is Yes Asia, and they were offering free shipping with like $39. I was short $1 with the 1S album and the CX album, so I literally found something for $1 to get free shipping. I bought some washi tape, masking tape. They had this on clearance for $1, and I was like, perfect. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. So on the shipping list thing that came with my packaging, it's so nice. It says first press limited edition for the CIX album. Yay! I am super happy. Super happy. I'll try and put the DVD in my PS4 and let you know if it works or not. Yeah. Hold on. We are gonna see if the DVD works in my PlayStation. Oh no! Okay, so unfortunately, the CIX one is region locked, whereas the 1S ones aren't region locked, even though they say they are. The PlayStation says I can change the region to watch it, but that after 4 times it will stay locked and you will no longer be able to change it no matter what you do. So, I don't know if I want to risk it. I know it says 4 times, but I mean, I don't know. I had originally planned buying a Japanese DVD player back when I was buying the 1US album with the Japanese DVD, but I thought, you know what, let's get it and try it first, and it worked fine. So I hadn't bought a Japanese DVD player yet, but I guess I'm going to have to for this one. So yeah, that's unfortunate. Oh well. Okay, so since I'm crazy, I decided to try putting it in the laptop. It worked in the laptop, but it told me that I only have 4 tries left to change the region. It automatically did it itself. So since it's already in, I want to see. Okay, that I just watched the DVD and oh, it's worth every penny. Woo! Yay! I'm so happy. Oh, the month wait was so worth it. Only thing I would say is I wish that I could watch it on my PS4, but oh well. One day I will buy a Japanese DVD player. Yeah. Woo! Thanks for watching. Annyeong!